When AI gives you a really brilliant answer, does it actually understand what it's telling you, or is it just simply faking it? I recently read about this thought experiment called the Chinese room, which explains this exact concept beautifully, and we need to talk about it. This is what the Chinese room experiment talks about. Picture this: you're locked in this room and you don't speak a word of Chinese, but you have this huge rule book present with you inside the room. Now, people outside the room basically write down questions in Chinese and slip it under your door, and you pick up those questions, go to the Chinese rule book, look up the symbols, write down answers, and slip it back to the people outside the room. To the people outside the room, your answers are correct and they're absolutely fluent. So you obviously know Chinese and they're absolutely convinced of that. But you, on the other hand, know that you don't know Chinese, you don't understand anything, and you're just simply matching symbols on the rule book and sending it to you. This entire experiment is what John Searle's argument is. That is exactly what AI does. It manipulates all these symbols and logics perfectly without even understanding a single thing. And here's why this is still debated almost 40 years later. Even when we think about our own brains and our own understanding of things, our neurons themselves don't really understand things. They're just firing signals based on chemical reactions. The concept of understanding something emerges from billions of these neurons working together in synchrony. So what does understanding actually even mean when it comes to a machine? How is it different? So listen, I work with AI systems every day, and this is what I feel. AI obviously can't understand things the way you and I do. It doesn't have taste, it doesn't have experience, it doesn't have intention. But even the fact that it's able to predict patterns in a certain way is extremely powerful. So powerful, in fact, that the line between understanding something and faking it has almost become blurry at this point. And I think that's honestly insane. And that we're in the best time and the most advanced time in this race to even experience AI at such levels. So what do you think? Do you think AI actually understands, or is it faking it all the time? And as always, my name is Simran, and I love talking about AI and tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.